Hi everyone, I recently created this Ottoman Queen POV video, and this was actually my first time experimenting with this style, and I loved how it turned out. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you my exact 5-step process for creating videos like this from scratch. Step 1. Pick an idea. It could be historical or nostalgic or fantasy, or you could recreate a completely different time period. For this tutorial, I'm going to use my POV. You wake up as a queen in the Ottoman Empire. The important thing is to choose an idea that gives you enough interesting moments to create an entire mini story. Step 2. Create your scenes with ChatGPT or Claude. Now that we have our idea, we need to turn it into an actual story. For this, I use either ChatGPT or Claude. Type this prompt to generate at least 10 scenes. If you want a longer video, you will need more scenes. Step 3. Create the images in Nano Banana. Once I have all my prompts, I move over to Gemini to create the images. If I've planned 10 scenes, I need 10 images. I'll paste my first prompt into Nano Banana and generate the opening scene. Here's the image. Once I'm happy with it, I'll move on to scene 2, scene 3, and so on. Once I'm happy with all my images, I'm ready to animate them. Step 4. Create the videos in Faceless AI. Next, I'm going into Faceless AI. I'm going to upload each image and turn it into a short video clip. For these POV videos, I like to keep each animation around 5 seconds. And here's probably my biggest tip for this step. Give each clip one main action. Don't try to make the AI do 5 things in 5 seconds. Copy the next prompt and generate the video one by one. Once all of my scenes are animated, I'll download the clips and move on to the final step. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Now we're going to bring everything together inside CapCut. First, I import all my video clips. Then I put them in the correct order. Next, I'll add my opening hook, POV, you wake up as a queen in the Ottoman Empire. This is important because the viewer should immediately understand the concept. Step 6. Generate the voiceover. Go to ChatGPT or Claude to generate a script for your video. For POV videos, I personally like using first-person narration because it makes the experience feel even more immersive. Copy the script and go to 11 Labs. Click on text-to-speech and paste the script. Select a voice and you can fix the settings here. Then click on Generate Speech to hear the speech and make sure it is okay. If not, work on the settings until you are satisfied with the voice. Then download the voice and upload to CapCut. Trim anything that doesn't look right and remove unnecessary parts of the clips. And that's it. Once you understand that process, you can reuse it for almost anything. You could even build an entire Faceless TikTok or YouTube Shorts channel around this one content format. And if you want to create and monetize videos like this but don't want to spend hours figuring out the prompts, tools, and workflows yourself, I'm teaching all of this inside AI Animation Lab. I'll also show you the affordable AI models and workflows I use to create content without unnecessarily burning through credits. And beyond creating the videos, we're also learning the social media growth and marketing side. Because if your goal is to build a TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube channel, creating the content is only part of the process. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you, subscribe because I'll be sharing a lot more AI image, video, and faceless content tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.